everyone, my name is Dr. Yinkasula Chinodu, and I am the board secretary for the Yoruba Cultural Center Dallas Inc. The Yoruba Cultural Center Dallas Inc. was founded by our president, Dr. Oladele Olusoya, and alongside him is a group of professionals and individuals who strongly believe in the heritage of the Yoruba people. And all of these individuals currently sit on the board of directors, playing multiple roles. Now, this organization is here to invite all Yoruba people in the Dallas Metroplex and globally to join us as we start off on this journey to provide education about our language, our culture, music, dance, theater, amongst several other wonderful programs that we have established as a 501c3 nonprofit. So if you're interested in learning more about our programs and how you can support and donate to this cause, because we are definitely a publicly funded organization, please visit our website on www.yorubaculturalcenterdallas.org. And of course, feel free to get social with us on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube pages at Yoruba Cultural Center Dallas. We look forward to meeting a whole lot of you at our Yoruba Language Institute. And of course, we look forward to having you participate and learn about the history of the Yoruba people. But most importantly, our goal is to promote and highlight all of the beautiful, wonderful things that make Yoruba people the enigmatic, dynamic people that have gone from generation to generation to build strong leaders globally. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye.